Hi guys, welcome back to my player. Today I'm going to show you how you can get the exchange rewards Jordi Alba, the former left back of FC Barcelona in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So the Jordi Alba is welcome as the top transfer player. Well, before we start, I made this video is for beginner, new into this game and still confusing or still wondering how to get the rewards, because previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now is EA Sport FC Mobile 24. There are some new feature here, for example the exchange. Let's get started by tap the club and this one exchange feature, tap it. Welcome to FC Mobile feature, please tap it. And this one Jordi Alba, tap exchange rewards Jordi Alba. So you can get this former left back of Barcelona, but right now is the Miami version MLS, because this player is already 34 years old. You can get this player if you need left back by exchange with 80 until 85 defender or goalkeeper, 75 until 85 of your player, or 70 until 85 over MLS player. If you have it, just quick add like this. So please give it a try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.